This window is massive. Good morning, Sweden. Finished having breakfast, and we also had some Turkish delight, which was quite yummy. All right, so we are leaving. Oh, I was on this side, wasn't I? Change of plan. We're not going to Gothenburg anymore. Okay, we're going to Gothenburg tonight to go out, but we're spending the day in Jönköping. I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I'm in love with nature, so anywhere beautiful, I'm on it. What do you think of Sweden so far?
Yeah, it's nice. I like the environment.
Yes.
Nice atmosphere. Chilled.
Yeah, it's beautiful nature around. But you haven't been to Stockholm yet, so you haven't seen like the busyness of it. You've seen everything calm, everything serene. Oh yeah, we're just gonna grab a coffee and see the lake. Coffee meaning drink, like hot chocolate or something.
Look at how spacious it is.
I want to take a video, please. Since we're not using Google Maps, it's got all the maps, the cafes that way. So get a house. You should get one like that, Martin.
It's a beautiful apartment.
Underneath there, all
Yeah, you can go.
I would like that. I would love to live here. Oh.
Why don't you move here, Esther?
I would move outside of the UK. I've moved up north and I've started to talk like I'm up north. Someone asked me if I'm from up north. They're like, oh, where are you from? I said Uganda. I said originally Uganda. They're like, no, you sound like you're from up north. I was like,
You don't sound from up north.
I've got to show you the lake. I've got to show you. In this place called Bryggen, it is right by the water. About to grab a coffee and maybe something to eat.
What would you have me do? Where would you have me go? Tell me to fly away, I'll spread my wings and go. Tell me to stay, I'll lay back down, drift away without a sound. Oh, keep on bending your frame of view, every day's a new shade of you. Ay, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go? What would you have me do? Where would you have me go?
Ah, it's so gorgeous around here. We've just parked up right next to the lake. It's so beautiful. Can you hear the water? Can you hear it? It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, I want to come and move to Sweden. I want to come and move to Sweden where it's all beautiful. There's nature all around. Gosh, and it's not like even like, I think people live around here as well. You see that car? I want to take a picture next to it. My friend doesn't like taking photos next to cars that don't belong to her. This is a derelict car. This is an abandoned car. So I think it would be just fine. And there's a ped. There's a little beach here. It's actually quite sandy. It's lovely. Martin is literally climbing a tree. Can you see him? Can you see him there? He's in the background.
you should have called Martin.
I know. Pet your weave, ooh. Whew. Anyway, let's take a few photos and then we'll head off. The sun is setting now. Alright, so we are just about to grab something to eat. Let's go in. We are here with Natalie and Esther. Of course, Esther's been here all this time. But Natalie we met yesterday. We met her in the shopping centre and it was literally just by chance. Yeah. So now we're all going out.
We're all gonna have a good time.
Yes. Yeah. We are all gonna have a good time. Yay! How amazing is Natalie's makeup?
Very nice.
It's very nice. This club is called Upstairs.
Yes.
And they play a lot of hip hop,
R&B.
R&B and all that. So we're looking to have a good night. Just admiring the view. It's about 3 a.m. in the morning. Natalie's gonna say the name of it.
It's called Masthugskyrkan.
Yep. There is this beautiful church.
Go to Oslo.
Go to Oslo.
3 hours from here. Yeah.